Hi everyone, I'm John Fry and today I'm having a quick look at the Hollyland Lark M1. Oh, bit of noise, let's just see how the noise cancelling works. It's a dual transmitter receiver radio mic set. Now they come in this beautiful little case which is actually really cool. Very small, easy to put in your camera bag. And it has this thing, which is the combined case and charger unit. So I think it's actually got its own battery in it. So as soon as you put in transmitters and receiver, they start charging from the internal battery and turn themselves off. So charges via USB-C. You just put them back in there and next time you get them out they're charged. It's a great idea. I love that all-in-one thing. So I'm not showing you the kit itself because I'm using it to record this video. So this is the transmitter here. It's very, very small, amazingly small in fact. This is it at the moment. There's no noise around here, but I'll just show you what it's like with the noise cancelling on and off. Okay, so it's a typical sunny day here in South Wiltshire as the liquid sunshine comes down. So this is with the noise cancelling off, and here it is gone green, noise cancelling on. So as you can tell, quite a noisy environment. Let's just, for comparison, one more time turn that off. So that's with the noise cancelling off. I'm going in now. So you can see there was a marked difference. All that background noise had disappeared when I put on the noise cancelling, and that was really quite impressive. It comes with two microphones, so you can have a person in conversation. You can switch the receiver, which, I can't show you because it's plugged in, has stereo or mono mode. So if you're just using one, like we are now, it's in mono mode, and if you're using both, you can have it in stereo mode, so you can have separated audio channels for whoever's recording, even into a phone. It comes with all the cables to plug into your DSLR or whatever, and you can get extra cables to plug into a USB-C on another sort of phone, or an iPhone in this case, on mine with a lightning connector. And as a kit of things, I mean, that on its own, all-in-one box charger thing, I think is fantastic. But also this case to keep everything in all together, even with the extra cables and bits and pieces you need, isn't very big either. And yeah, the fact that it's all included with the kit is great. I have yet to test it on a big camera. I'd be quite interested to see what it looks like going into my FX6 or FS7, or indeed as a dual system into one of the little Sony cameras, the A7S or FX3 or whatever. So I will do some tests on those on bigger cameras later on, but as for now I have to just say how impressed I am by the sheer size and practicality of these. Not sure I would necessarily they wouldn't necessarily be my first choice for professional productions. I've got the big Sony sets for that and Sennheisers, but in terms of just getting them out of the bag, putting them on a talent like that, as a backup, they're always going to be in my camera bag now because they just work. But also, anything we're doing, which has been happening a lot more now, doing content like this, which is shot on a phone, has to be done very quickly and just happen. I can see these being incredibly useful for that as well. So there we go, that's the Hollyland Lark M1 dual transmitter radio mic receiver. Oh, sorry. Someone's hoovering over there. Let's just turn the noise cancelling back on, give you another idea what that sounds like. So yeah, that's the Hollyland Lark M1 dual transmitter, single receiver radio mic set for phones, DSLRs, and mirrorless cameras. Yeah, I'll see if I can update it when I play with a bigger camera, but otherwise, yeah, very impressed with it so far.